People are taking this iconic scene from the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, where Han leans against his orange fail-side Mazda RX7, and using AI tools to swap out the car with something else. Their own personal car, trucks, random objects, anything you want, you can make it. If you want to do this yourself, stick around for the tutorial. In the original clip, there is a movie soundtrack playing. However, the edits use the song 6 Days, which is also from the Fast and Furious movie. However, it has been associated with that specific scene for a long time, as you can see from this Han edit from 4 years ago. To make this meme yourself, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is take this still image of Han leaning against his car, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to replace the car with something else. Let's take this Dacia Spring for example. Be sure to ask ChatGPT to also have him lean against the car in a normal way, or whatever pose or object you do, just make sure it's clear for ChatGPT what you're intending to make. As for the image, I'll have it linked below. It's an edited photo by Reddit user Not513. Once you have the result, take it into Grok to animate it into a slow cinematic movie. Be sure to ask Grok to keep the camera in the same position, otherwise he will take off in the car. And there you have it. Then all you need to do is smash it up together. I downloaded my video directly from TikTok, that's why it has this watermark, but you can use a TikTok to MP4 website to get the video without a watermark. All that's left to do is paste the video on top of the original video at the exact same place where it cuts the video, and you're done. Your video is completely finished, ready to render and upload to TikTok. The reason this is a meme is quite simple. Han is genuinely the most beloved character in the Fast and Furious universe, and his leaning on the RX-7 pose is deeply iconic. The meme format lets car enthusiasts put their own car into the Fast and Furious universe, which is a huge appeal for car culture TikTok. But it's also appealing to the general public. As with AI these days, you can pretty much create anything you want. People are creating hilarious edits, so random that it allows everyone to make something in AI and share it with the masses under a common meme format. What meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.